Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has shed light on the differing ways his new signings are settling into the team, highlighting how circumstances and competition have shaped their adaptation. The Premier Soccer League champions welcomed Fawaz Basidin, Zeki Tabeleng, Nuno Santos, and Miguel Rezino this season. While some have found regular game time, others have faced challenges breaking into the starting lineup. Speaking after Sundowns' victory over Remo Stars in the preliminary round of the CAF Champions League, Cardoso addressed the situation with Basadin, the former Stellenbosch captain, and said Fawaz is facing strong competition in the left-back position. He's not alone in that. All of our players experience competition. Aseko Tiwani, Tato Sibia and Divine Lunga are all navigating similar challenges. Right now, Obrumo Modiba is in excellent form, which naturally makes it more difficult for Fawaz to get consistent minutes. The coach also spoke on the progress of Tabeleng, noting that the striker arrived in less than ideal conditions but has been developing well, and said Nziki wasn't in the best place when he arrived, but we've seen significant growth over the last 2 to 3 weeks. He's starting to understand our football, his positioning, and the responsibilities of his role. Meanwhile, the journeys of Nuno Santos and Miguel Rezino have been shaped by unique circumstances. Rezino's integration was hampered after he received a red card in his first league match, which delayed his opportunity to secure regular minutes. The coach said Miguel lost the chance to play consistently due to the red card, and it affects his immediate participation in upcoming matches. Nuno Santos, on the other hand, adapted quickly and said Nuno had an immediate impact despite challenging first match against Golden Arrows. He performed well in the home game, even earning a man of the match honours. His international experience and fluency in English have also helped him integrate seamlessly into the squad. Cardoso added perspective on the club's transfer strategy and said this was the smallest transfer window we've had in the last 5 years for Sundowns, but it doesn't mean the players we brought in aren't quality. Each has their own process of adaptation, and overall, I'm pleased with the progress. As Sundowns look to maintain momentum domestically and in continental competitions, Cardoso's careful management of new signings could prove crucial in balancing experience, talent, and team chemistry. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.